We played a Jackbox party game for the first time together, so forgive us if we're doing some prompts wrong. We still found them funny, so I don't know, that's kind of the point, right? Anyway, enjoy the Snot podcast vid. I was too lazy to edit the recent one.
What the fuck? You're crazy. You're crazy. Grabe, locked in.
I don't know.
Yan yung hiniram ko.
Bones lang yan, no?
Oh,
Bones
bones
lang.
lang.
Hindi ako kasi ang puta kayo na eh.
Putang ina. Yun yung title ng video. Hindi.
Baliktad.
Oh, baliktad. Yan, ganyan.
Kita pala. Kita pala. No! Kita pala.
Hitler eh, nagjajakol na eh. Nakasarangenta eh.
Ay, hindi. Ay, hindi. Sabi ko, ihihinga lang ako kapag umalis ako eh. Ay nako, nanonood ng hentai itong dalawang to. Ay nako. Kayo ha?
Ba, hindi ko ano na naman. Shut up, shut up, shut up. No.
Yung ba yun?
Stroking ka na
Ay
eh,
nako.
stroking.
Kanino yun? Kanino yun? Ang galing mo. Ang galing mo.
Thank you guys, thank you. Thank you.
Oo, pare.
Binili eh.
Di naniwala.
Gusto ko tuloy. Nasa caps.
Bart Simpsons. Sino? Ha?
Nalimutan ko, sinas ko pa yung video eh.
Is that what you said now?
Alright, who picked what?
Oh!
That doesn't make any sense.
I don't know what it's called though.
Hindi ko alam.
What's the medical term for it?
Discharge. Sperm.
Is that what you put?
Cells?
Why would there be sperms?
I think I know, it's what it is, guys. Hindi ko napansin. What do you guys think?
It's 50
6'7"
shades.
nga eh.
Why would you need
Di ba?
coke?
Pero 6'7" yun eh.
Shut the
We
fuck
start
up.
second leg.
Shut up.
Eh, kasi 6'7" eh.
Wala.
Hindi sa'yo yun eh.
Rockefeller.
Sex advice guide. Si Houston. Ayun Houston. See? That's because of you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ba't zero pa rin ako?
Ayusin mo kasi.
Oo ba eh, puro ka Houston eh.
Get your last chance at pick out.
Come on.
I thought he wouldn't think it's a zero.
Where is the truth?
What the fuck are these stereotypes, bro? What the fuck are these stereotypes, bro?
Super Bowl.
Oh my god.
Yan yun, hindi, House MD kay Jumbles.
Same. I wanted rebooted, honestly.
Alright,
It's about Chris, not you.
I don't care, man.
What ba? Ano yan? What's this one?
Is this one?
Which one? Hey, how do you know about Erome?
Goat, the goat.
Jambos, Jambos.
That's on mine. Ano ba? Pag mali ako, Pacquiao. Both lies. Pag mali ako.
Ay!
Okay, good.
Come on now, man. I thought I downloaded.
Them in the movie about their life.
Na.
Narak.
Na.
I don't know.
Na.
Hindi even know what I look like.
Yeah,
Na.
I don't.
Where's the truth?
Walbo.
Idris
Robbie
Elba.
Malek.
I don't know these guys.
Okay, enter your lies.
Pero fucking no.
I wouldn't know.
Yun.
Lulu
I thought
nga
you
ni
would.
one and two na
I thought you
naman
would make it Tagalog, you know?
I had this earlier.
I don't know.
I just ate Shaky's pizza.
Thank you so much.
Ano that was a lie.
I have 2 Michael Jackson figurines.
I knew it.
Ano to? I'm very good at being bad. I'm very bad at I'm a really bad boy.
Yeah!
They did not reach gold. What? Lying ass. Can't even get out of bronze.
Okay, I am.
What?
Na.
No.
Shake ba yan?
Gagalit! Lulu nga dito!
Hindi mo shake yung big dog eh. Ito hindi na mo. Shake to eh.
Big dog.
Big dog tapos ito ano ba to?
Sa'yo ang gago, may ganun eh. Shape ba yun?
Di mo ako. Yung mo ito. Tanong yan. Anong dos?
Yung ano?
Uno.
Iba ano? Sequel ng ano? Uno? Dos?
Oo.
Tapos yung prequel ang Pusoy 2, Pusoy 1, no? Pusoy 1.
Pusoy uno? Pusoy
No,
one?
no, no, ala!
Pusoy one eh. Pusoy one.
Wala pa.
Wala pa!
That na eh.
Wait lang.
Luto eh. Luto. Alam nyo kasing sa akin yun eh. Alam nyo kasing sa akin eh. Yoko na.
Pusoy 1, tangina mo!
Yoko na. Ako lang nakatawa dito eh. Si Jumbles yan. Talo yan si Jumbles.
Hindi naman ako
Guys,
mananalo
si Jumbles.
eh. Dali na, bigyan na
Ayoko
ako.
pumindot.
Pagbigyan, thank you.
Ayoko na pumindot. Ayoko na pumindot. Ayoko na pumindot. Ayoko na pumindot. Ayoko na pumindot.
Bobo ka, Era.
Ayoko na
Hiningal.
pumindot. Ayoko na
Hiningal.
pumindot. Ayoko na pumindot. Ikaw na lang, Chris.
Wala na.
Ang lakas ng thunder, oh. Pinanalo si Jumbo, si Elijah eh.
Hindi, pag na si Jumbo, last si Jumbo last time eh.
Triple blind. Ang haba nito.
Bakit pa pag ito may
Kala ko
quadruple
tapos
brain
na,
pa, ayoko na, ha? Hindi, dyan ba na ako, dyan ba?
Gusto ko si Lapid ako yan.
Yeah. Dyan ba, dyan ba? Eh, sige, top tayo, top tayo.
Pinda sa putang ina.
Nagpindot ako. Two hands technique.
Diyan ba?
Gusto.
Dyan ba, dyan ba, dyan ba, dyan ba, dyan ba, dyan ba, dyan ba? No! Houston, no! Houston, no!
Sa'yo yan
no.
eh.
Houston, tama na.
Panalo ka eh.
Diyan ba na? I lost.
Dyan ba eh, dyan ba?
Wala na, miss na.
Diyan ba?